This is Matt, and this is a video on how to sign up for Audible. So I'm in the UK, so I'm right here on audible.co.uk. You might need to go to audible.com if you're in the US, but in general, just a quick Google search of Audible will actually find you the website pretty simply. Like I say, I'm right here, I'm ready to sign up. I'm on .co.uk. Your interface will look very much like this. Now they have a deal right now. They have a limited time offer, which is 99 pence per month, so just under £1 per month for the first 3 months, and thereafter it will be £8.99 per month. So I'm going to go for this offer right now. I've never actually had an Audible account, I should mention, so I'm clicking on this get this deal option. I'm signed into my Amazon account, so it's immediately pulled up my my account details. It's got my credit card right here, so I'm just going to go ahead and click this orange button for pay 99 pence to start the membership. And again, it's saying 99 pence for the first 3 months, £8.99 thereafter, renews automatically, but you can cancel monthly via account details. So as you know, with Amazon, really good customer service, it's very easy to cancel things, and if you do mistakenly get billed, you can easily get a refund. Their customer service is pretty darn good, especially these days. So pay 99 pence to start your membership. We'll click this button. It's now saying verifying with your bank, and that should go through in just a second. And bam, just like that, I now have an Audible account. It says, welcome to Premium Plus. You have 1 credit to pick any audiobook. Anything you get with a credit is yours to keep. So what am I going to go for? Let's have a look around here. So we've got different audiobooks. So we can start to look through the best-selling ones. Right here, we have a load of Harry Potter stuff here. The Let Them Hang Theory, Mel Robbins' book. I think she's getting quite big lately. We've got Atomic Habits. So I'm going to look through here. I've actually completed this video now. I've got the account with Audible. It's actually a really good deal. I'm going to check out the account now. I'm going to choose my free book right here, and I'm sure you'll do the same. But that is the process you'll follow, whether you're using Audible in the US with the .com or .co.uk. In Britain or wherever you are, you'll follow this process. Super simple. You might need to add your credit or debit card details if you don't already have them on there, and you will of course need to sign into your Amazon account. You can see I've got 1 credit right here. So hopefully this video on how to sign up for Audible has been useful for you. If it has, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.